Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Magical Beats Gaming here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, we hit 50 subscribers. And guess what that led to? That's right, a box! It's so amazing. It's a box. Well, obviously, it's something inside the box. But we hit 50 subscribers. Literally, how? Like, how? I don't know how. Like, how? How? Alright, well, anyways, I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh. It's a rainbow play button. Put the box out of the way. It's a rainbow play button for 50 subscribers. Thank you guys for 50 subscribers. Look at it. It's rainbow. Rainbow play button. So, like, oh my gosh. I don't know how. How do you guys do this? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for 50 subscribers. Half of 100. Seriously, like, oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for 50 subscribers. Let's set our next goal to 60 subscribers. Anyways, guys, see you in the next video.